Hi there, my name is Kevin Smith, Technical Support and Trainer here at Brilliance. Today we'll be going over how to set up the Brilliance Smart Socket 3.0 using Wi-Fi. If you haven't downloaded the Brilliance Smart app yet, you can use the QR code on screen that will take you to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have your App Store open, you'll just tap Get if you haven't installed the app before. Then put in your info. If asked, then the app will download to your home screen. First, we'll show you how to set up the Smart Socket in Easy Mode. Once downloaded, go ahead and open up the app and sign in to your Brilliance account. If you haven't set one up, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Once logged in, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. This screen will begin the setup process for the Smart Socket and any other Brilliance Smart products. You'll be prompted to enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi information. This is the same password that you use to connect to your home internet. Once your password is entered, tap Next. Select Smart Socket on the left side of the screen, then tap the Smart Socket icon. Or if the Smart Socket is in Discover mode, it'll appear at the top of your screen. Tap Add, then the Smart Socket will automatically connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you're all set. You can now control your Smart Socket with your phone. Now we'll show you how to set up the Smart Socket in AP mode. You'll follow the same steps as before. When you reach the Reset the Device screen, tap Easy Mode in the top corner, then switch to AP mode. Once in AP mode, the app will ask you to connect to the Smart Socket's hotspot from your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Tap Go to Connect and you'll be brought to your phone's Settings app's Wi-Fi selection page. Tap the connection labeled Smart Life and wait for your phone to connect. Once connected, go back to the Brilliance Smart app and it will connect your Smart Socket to your home Wi-Fi. And there you have it. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 800-867-2108. Or you can reach out to me directly at kevin@brillianceled.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.